In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a reference in Magnific AI Mobile. By the end, you'll know exactly how to guide the model with a visual cue so your results stay true to a specific subject, style, or look. Start by opening Magnific AI on your phone. On the main screen, look toward the bottom toolbar and tap AI Suite. That's where the creative tools live. Next, choose Generate Image. Here, you can decide how to start your prompt. Go with a random prompt for inspiration, pick from ready-made templates, or type your own description if you already have a clear idea. Whichever you choose, keep your goal in mind. Your reference will help anchor the final look. Now, tap Add Refs. This is where you connect a guiding reference to your prompt. You'll see options like image, style, character, and more. For this walkthrough, select Image. Using an image reference is perfect when you need the AI to respect a specific face, product, composition, or design language. Choose the image you want from your device. A quick tip: pick a clear, well-lit photo that best represents what you want the AI to follow. Once you've selected it, confirm by tapping Select. You should see the reference attached to your prompt area, which means it will inform the generation without replacing your written description. Before generating, tap the settings icon. Here, choose your mode, the number of images you want to create, and the aspect ratio. Mode controls how the model interprets your prompt and reference. Go bolder if you want more creative variation, or more strict if fidelity to the reference is your priority. Select the number of images based on how many variations you'd like to compare, and set the aspect ratio to match where the image will be used. When everything looks good, tap Generate. Processing can take a little while, especially with higher quality settings, so keep the app open and make sure your connection is stable. When it's done, your results will appear guided by the reference you provided. That's it. You've successfully added a reference in Magnific AI Mobile.